this video series, we'll demonstrate the process of taking a model from development to production using notebooks and Wallaroo. We'll use the example of a real estate company that wants estimated sales prices for the properties in their portfolio. The steps they need to go through are to train a model to predict the house sale prices, to run that model periodically in batch on recent listings, to periodically retrain the model with fresher data, and to push the new models to production. In this first video, we'll walk through an example initial notebook for our scenario, where the data scientist explores the data and fits a model. We'll use this first notebook to create a process for automating the training and retraining of the model. So this might be an example of a data scientist's initial notebook, so we will run through it. We'll pull data on all the houses sold in this market over the last 2 years for training. We see an example of what that data looks like. Since we're mostly interested in having good relative error performance rather than absolute error, we're going to predict on the log of the sales price because that's one way to improve relative error performance. So we're going to create a new target variable right here. We might also discover that we need to create a few synthetic features from our inputs. So here we show creating some new features that we think might be useful, namely